Episode number 20 of the Insurance Awareness series by Mr. Deepak Godbole. Engineering insurance. Construction involves risks that may result into loss or damage to the materials and machines. This is where engineering insurance comes into play to secure the things and operations. Engineering insurance provides economic safeguard to the risks faced by the construction projects and machines and equipment in project sites. Engineering insurance covers a wide range of risks related to engineering and caters to different forms of uncertainties that are associated with on-site construction, including plant and machinery usage. Engineering insurance caters to risk management for property and for business income protection. Normal types of engineering insurances are project insurance, operational machineries insurance, and business interruption insurance. However, new insurance needs are arising in respect of risks such as prototype machinery, contractual liabilities and guarantees, and certain risks that were traditionally considered as uninsurable. The main engineering insurance covers are contractors' all-risk insurance, erection all-risks insurance, contractors, boiler, plant and equipment insurance, machinery breakdown insurance, and electronic equipment insurance. Technological advances, new engineering practices, and evolving methods of carrying on business necessitate creation of new covers. The contractor's all risks policy covers damage or loss to a civil engineering project. It provides cover in the event of any loss or damage to the insured property unless caused by exclusions in the policy. This is an all-risk policy that protects the interests of all the parties participating in the project, such as the principal, contractors, subcontractors, and financiers. Additionally, it also protects the construction materials during storage and construction. The sum insured is calculated as the total project contract value together with the estimated cost of labor and construction materials. Erection all-risk policy covers erection of individual machines or complete plants. Besides the construction, there is equipment and machinery that need to be set up, tested and installed for a construction plant to successfully function. The process involves several risks to the equipment and people. The policy covers risks for a variety of projects including power plants, water and wastewater treatment facilities, manufacturing factories, and telecommunications centers. The coverage under the policy lasts until the duration of the project concludes and before it is handed over to the owner. The sum insured is equal to the total value of the project including the cost of erection, buildings or the plant and the machinery, along with customs duty and the freight charges. The contractor's plant and machinery policy is form of machinery insurance which covers movable plant equipment and machinery such as bulldozers, cranes, excavators, etc. Heavy machinery and equipment is used in the construction of buildings, roads, factories and bridges. If anything was to happen to this equipment and machinery, the work would suffer, causing inconvenience all around. The contractor's plant and machinery insurance provides cover for such associated exigencies. Machines are offered repair or replacement in case of damage, so one can resume work as soon as possible. This policy provides coverage for the heavy additional costs that have to be paid for repairing or replacing affected machinery. The boiler and pressure plant insurance policy is designed to cover any losses or damages incurred due to explosion or collapse to various types of boilers and pressure plants in a factory. It covers the repair or replacement of equipment. Extended boiler insurance can also cover damage to third party for bodily injury and or property caused by the explosion or collapse. In construction and engineering, reliance on technology, protecting computer and electronic equipment has become essential. Electronic equipment insurance provides An all-risk insurance cover in case of breakdowns or damages to electronic devices. The policy covers the high costs of repair or restoration of the damaged equipment or its replacement thereof to ensure business continuity at a marginal cost. For more episodes on risk management and insurance, please visit YouTube at Deepak Godbole. An insurance awareness initiative by Mr. Deepak Godbole.